Ever felt like your computer's acting a little possessed? Sluggish performance, weird pop-ups, and apps launching themselves like poltergeists. Yep, sounds like you might have a malware problem. Well, today, we're diving into the digital toolbox Microsoft gave us, the Malicious Software Removal Tool, or MRT for short. It's not a superhero, but it sure does fight evil software. Stick around, because we're breaking down what this tool really does, how it differs from antivirus programs, and whether or not you should actually use it. Let's get one thing straight, the Malicious Software Removal Tool isn't your typical antivirus software. It's more like a cleanup crew that comes after the party got crashed by malware. Built by Microsoft and baked into most versions of Windows, MRT scans your system once a month, yes, just once, targeting specific, prevalent types of malicious software. MRT tool is updated monthly through Windows Update, ensuring it has the latest definitions for malicious software. This tool launches automatically in the background, scans your system for specific types of malware like Blaster, Sasser, or Midum, and automatically removes anything nasty it finds. But wait, you can also run this tool manually by following these steps. First, we'll need to open the command prompt. Press the Windows key plus R keys, or type CMD in the search bar, then click Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type MRT, and then press Enter on the keyboard. Wait a moment, and the wizard will appear. Now, click the Next button to go to Scan Modes. You can choose from 3 scanning modes. 1. Quick Scan, scans the areas most commonly found for malware. 2. Full Scan, scans all files on the device, which takes longer. 3. Custom Scan, you can select the folders or files you want to specifically scan. Simply select the appropriate option, click the Next button, and wait for the scan to complete. After the scan is complete, the tool will generate a report showing whether it detected or removed any malware. This report can be useful to determine if your device has been compromised. So, is the Malicious Software Removal Tool a full-on security solution? Not quite. But as part of your Windows security arsenal, it's a handy cleanup utility that gets the job done when things go sideways. If you learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment if you've ever used MRT, and of course, subscribe for more tech explained without the jargon. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.